you can put the tape both side, and it will be easy to remove. And if you have backpack, you can put on your backpack, just simple like that. Okay, once in your shoulder, it will be easily record. So there's a lot of method you can use this camera, simple and easy way. For me, my favorite is, you can see this one. No one can knows much prominent, and actually it's quite strong. It's not easy to fall down or anything. So for basic walking and vlogging, this is also a way. So there's a lot of ways actually you can stick this camera easily, because the magnet very strong, so better use it the tape. I use the tape simple and put inside. I hope you like it. Okay guys, so now the camera is recording, and what I'm going to do is I'm putting this magnet here on my body, and it's going to stick. Yeah, quite strong. I have to switch the camera. Okay, now you can see the camera is already mounted on my shirt. So if your shirt is black color, it will be more so don't look at my down is short. So this is just for demonstration. Now start recording, and you can see camera is not going anywhere. Even I can jump, I can adjust any position. You can see. Okay, now I'm going to walk. Take a look here, and I'm going to walk outside here. And now I want to run. In front of. So now this is the real footage, how when it's mounted on my shirt, and you are hands-free. The good thing is you're rather than holding selfie stick or put a clip anywhere and look like a little bit, for me it's a little bit funny, especially for vlog. I'm a kind of shy guy. So I prefer this way. Whenever I want, I can bring like this, for example, like this, like, okay guys, here I am, and I can walk right in the same time. I will stick back my camera here, and I will just hands-free, and I can walk. So make sure when you stick with back to your magnet, just check a little bit, is it strong enough? Might be sometime this area is thicker, so the grip of magnet can be slightly low. So in case, but for sure you have to put a protection case, the plastic silicone, so it will be better in case fall down. Even it's still rugged, if still fall down, it's nothing happened to the camera technically. So yeah, for example, I will let it fall down here. 1 2 3. Okay, it's fall down. So again, I'm going to take it. This is magnet here. This is the magnet, and I'm going to put it inside again here, and boom, you can hear the voice also click. It's quite strong. Choose a strong magnet, big one, as I tell in my video detail. So yeah, it's ready to go. Perfect. I love it. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, and you can put in your backpack, for example. Okay, this is the bag, right? You can put it here, front side, or you can put it, for example, normally sometimes we walk like that, right? So what we can do it, bring out this, then bring out this, your mag here, then Just simple, put it here. Okay, you can see, perfect. So now you can see your camera. Okay guys, so another thing I want to show you, if you are on the go, for example, you want to record more extra, you can have this kind of power bank. It's called capsule power bank mini. And what you can do, just simple type C one, you can get it order. And now you can bring out this bracket also if you want, if you feel not comfortable. It's very easy and simple. For example, yeah, you can see it's easy to bring out and remove. And then you can plug your during here, you can see. And now you can make a video while you have a power bank, so you will not out of power. At least it will give almost 40%, 30 to 40% easily, 50% also. But I didn't test 100%. So, but still, because this battery is 2000 milliamp, and inside the battery is almost less than 2000 milliamp. So I will consider 70. If you are full charge, 70 to 80%, you have almost double battery. It depends. Sometimes the batteries, some brands, the battery they use China, and some brand they have a good battery. Actually, for me, I can open this power bank and can change, because 18650 battery, standard battery, they are using in this one. So if you have LG or Sanyo batteries, they have exact good power. So, but simple, easy way. Now you can see I can stick anywhere with my stick, and while I'm making video, and I'm not worried to out of power. So yeah, that was one of the important thing I want to share with you. So you have extra small USB power.